Yesterday was very dark to look at the problem here. Well, where is it? Oh, right here. That's the problem. These bolts, this one and this one on this side here, completely came right off. The gasket is gone. So I'm gonna get my tools. This is gonna be fun. First thing I'm gonna need to do is get my goggles. It's gonna be fun. Buddy, you okay? Well, I can see right off the bat this is not going to be easy. Going back in with a power tool. See if I can cut that off. It was just getting too loud. Getting to be too loud. Too loud. Gotta put these on. I think I still remember how to do this. Yeah. I don't like these though. I have to order the ones I like. I had to cut the head of this kind of bolt thing that's in here. It's not even a regular bolt with a head that you can put a wrench to it and twist. It's just I had the piece over here somewhere. Just a little round thing. So now, since I cut the head on this side and I cut this on this side, now I'm going to get something in here and I'm going to get with a hammer and I'm going to try to push that over to the other side, because for one it's easier from here than from here because of the muffler or whatever this is called. I think it's a muffler. Don't quote me on that. It's this thing here, whatchamacallit. So I need I definitely need a bigger hammer than this. It's still not coming off, so I'm gonna have to use a drill and just drill that hole, because it's stuck in there. I don't know how they put this in. I don't know if they forced it in when the piece of the bolt was hot or whatever, but just stupid, you know. It's inconceivable that these bolts right here rust and break off in less than 3 years. Unbelievable. I don't understand why they couldn't use some stainless steel bolts in there. I don't know why I don't know if it's the heat from the muffler. I don't know what causes them to deteriorate so fast, but I gotta use this. That steel is stuff. Whatever that is. I'm gonna get a small drill bit and start a pilot hole, because this is not working out. All right, I'm calling it quits for tonight. You can't really see, but the sun is going down, and underneath there I can't see anything else. I could get a light, but I don't want to be here in the dark, so I'll have to finish tomorrow. Son of a gun. That thing is tough. That's hardened steel. I don't understand how how it just rusted like that. He delivered me from my strong enemy, and from those who hated me, for they were too mighty for me. They confronted me in the day of my calamity, but the Lord was my stay. He brought me forth also into a broad place. He rescued me, because he delighted in me. Psalms 18, 17, 19.